Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of fried fish, and trust me, you're going to love it. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to prepare our fish. We're going to be using a whole fish, but if you prefer, you can use fish fillets instead. Make sure to clean and gut the fish thoroughly. Then, let's get our batter ready. We're going to use a mixture of all-purpose flour, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Mix it all together, and you're good to go. Now, let's start frying. Heat up your oil to a medium-high temperature. Dip your fish in the batter, making sure it's evenly coated. Carefully place the fish in the hot oil, and fry it until it's golden brown and crispy. Once your fish is cooked, let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This will give the batter time to set and create that perfect crunchy texture. And there you have it, a delicious plate of fried fish, ready to be devoured. Now, I know what you're thinking, how do I make sure my fish is cooked through without overcooking the batter? The key is to use a thermometer. Once the oil reaches 350°F, it's time to start frying. The fish will cook through in about 10 minutes, so keep an eye on it and adjust the heat as needed. And that's it, folks. You've just mastered the art of frying fish. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!